Hi, today we're going to talk about if function in MS Office Excel. Here in this example, I have 15 students with their respective scores. We need to determine whether the student is pass or fail. And we have criteria given out here. If the student scores greater than or equal to 35 means he's passed the exam. If the student scores less than 35 means he has failed the exam. So let's go ahead and put an if function out here. So this is the syntax of if function. The first argument is logical test. So our logical test is we want to check whether the score is greater than or equal to 35. So that's our logical test. After completing the first argument, there's a comma out here. So we put a comma out here. And then value if true. If this logical test is true, what do you want if function to do? We want if function to write as pass. If you observe, we are putting a double apostrophe sign out here. So anytime you put a text in the function, you need to always start and end with a double apostrophe sign. So we have completed the second argument. After completing second argument, we need to put a comma, and then value if false. If the score is not greater than 35, means it is less than 35. That means he has failed the exam. So just go ahead and put fail in double apostrophe sign because it's a text, and then close the parenthesis and enter. So 72, that means he's greater than 35, that means he's passed the exam. So let's just copy it down. To copy it down, if you see this is a rectangle. So at the bottom right of the rectangle there's a small square. So if you double click that small square, it will automatically copy it down. So let me just check. Student 3 has scored 32, means he has failed the exam. 34 fail, 20 fail, 19 fail, 35 pass, because we have a criteria. If it is greater than or equal to 35 is equal to 35, so that means he has passed the exam. And then 31 fail, and rest all are greater than 35, that means he has passed the exam. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, do subscribe for more videos and updates.